Welcome to RenovationX, your ultimate guide to keeping your floors looking brand new in Dubai's unique climate. Whether you've just installed stunning new flooring or want to preserve the beauty of your existing one, proper maintenance is key to longevity, aesthetics, and overall hygiene. Dubai's hot, sandy, and humid environment can take a toll on floors, leading to wear and tear if not maintained correctly. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the best practices to keep your floors spotless, durable, and visually appealing for years to come. So, grab a notepad, sit back, and let's dive into expert flooring care tips that will save you time, effort, and money. Dubai's extreme weather conditions can cause flooring to accumulate dust, experience moisture exposure, and suffer from heat-related damage. Proper cleaning methods and preventive care can help counteract these challenges, ensuring that your floors remain in pristine condition. The type of flooring you have determines the best maintenance approach. From luxurious marble and porcelain tiles to modern engineered wood, vinyl, and carpet, each material requires specialized care. Sand particles, which are common in Dubai, act like sandpaper, gradually wearing down flooring surfaces if not regularly cleaned. Additionally, fluctuating humidity levels from air conditioning can cause materials to expand and contract, leading to potential damage over time. Investing in the right cleaning tools and adopting a consistent maintenance routine will help prevent these issues and extend the lifespan of your flooring. Luxury vinyl and laminate flooring are highly popular in Dubai for their durability and ease of maintenance. To keep them looking new, sweep or vacuum daily to remove dust and sand that may scratch the surface. Use a damp mop with a mild cleaning solution, avoiding excessive water, as moisture can seep into seams and cause damage. Use furniture pads under heavy objects and avoid dragging furniture to prevent scratches. Dubai's humidity can affect laminate flooring, so ensure rooms are well ventilated and avoid standing water. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are a top choice for Dubai homes and offices due to their durability and water resistance. Sweep daily and mop with a pH-neutral cleaner to remove dust and grime. Grout lines can collect dirt and discolor over time, so use a gentle grout cleaner or a baking soda paste to keep them looking fresh. Acidic or abrasive cleaners can dull the tile surface, so stick to mild solutions. For extra shine, use a microfiber cloth to buff tiles after mopping. Marble and natural stone add a luxurious touch but require delicate care to maintain their elegance. Use a soft broom or vacuum with a brush attachment to prevent scratches. Wipe with a damp cloth and a pH-balanced stone cleaner, avoiding acidic cleaners like vinegar that can erode the surface. Natural stone is porous and should be sealed periodically to prevent stains and moisture absorption. Marble can be affected by humidity and temperature changes, so consider using area rugs in high-traffic zones. Wood flooring brings warmth and sophistication but requires careful upkeep in Dubai's climate. Sweep or use a dry mop daily to remove dirt and sand. Use a well-run mop with a wood-safe cleaner, avoiding excessive moisture, as wood expands with humidity. Use rugs in high-traffic areas and install UV protective films on windows to prevent sun damage and fading. Periodic polishing can restore luster and protect the surface from wear. Carpets and rugs add comfort and acoustic benefits but need regular cleaning to stay fresh in Dubai's dusty environment. Daily vacuuming prevents dust buildup and extends carpet life. Steam clean carpets every few months to remove embedded dirt and allergens. Treat spills immediately with a mild carpet cleaner to prevent staining. High humidity can cause mold or mildew in carpets, so use a dehumidifier to keep the environment balanced. Polished concrete is stylish, durable, and low maintenance, making it an excellent choice for modern spaces. Dust mop daily to prevent sand from dulling the surface. Use a neutral cleaner with a damp mop and avoid acidic or harsh chemicals. Periodic sealing enhances durability and stain resistance. Use soft furniture pads to protect against scratches and scuff marks. Regardless of your flooring type, there are some universal tips to enhance longevity. Placing high-quality doormats at entrances helps trap sand and dirt before they reach your floors. Air conditioning and dehumidifiers help regulate indoor humidity, preventing moisture-related damage. Attach protective pads under furniture legs to prevent scratches and dents. Encourage a no-shoes policy indoors to minimize dirt and wear. Dubai's high humidity can cause spills to penetrate surfaces faster, so wipe them up immediately to prevent damage. Beyond daily maintenance, deep cleaning and professional care are essential for long-term durability. Hiring experienced flooring specialists for periodic maintenance, refinishing, and restoration can extend the life of your floors and keep them looking flawless. Over time, even the best-maintained floors can develop minor scratches, stains, or dullness. Professional polishing, sealing, and refinishing services help restore their original beauty while preventing further damage. Another key factor in maintaining floors in Dubai is selecting the right cleaning products. Many commercial cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can strip the finish or cause discoloration. Always choose pH-balanced and floor-specific cleaning solutions. If you prefer eco-friendly options, natural alternatives like diluted mild soap, baking soda, or vinegar, for non-acid sensitive floors, can be effective. Investing in high-quality microfiber mops and dusters can also make a significant difference in keeping floors clean without scratching the surface. Temperature fluctuations from air conditioning can also impact floor longevity. Sudden shifts in temperature and humidity levels can cause some materials, like wood and laminate, to expand or contract. Using rugs, curtains, and climate control settings can help maintain stable conditions and prevent warping or cracking. For households with pets, maintaining floors requires extra precautions. Pet claws can cause scratches, especially on wood and vinyl surfaces. Regularly trimming pet nails and using area rugs in play zones can minimize damage. Accidents should be cleaned immediately to prevent stains and odors, particularly on carpets and porous flooring. Proper maintenance also includes seasonal care. During Dubai's summer months, when humidity peaks, using dehumidifiers and air conditioning can help maintain floor stability. In cooler months, when dust levels increase, extra sweeping and vacuuming may be necessary to prevent buildup. Ultimately, maintaining your floors in Dubai's climate doesn't have to be a challenge. With the right cleaning techniques, protective measures, and occasional professional care, you can keep your floors looking brand new for years to come. Whether it's luxury vinyl, polished marble, or engineered wood, every flooring type has specific needs, and following these expert tips will help you preserve their beauty and durability. Want expert guidance on flooring maintenance and renovations? Book a free consultation with RenovationX today. The link is in the description, and slots are filling up fast. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to RenovationX, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert insights. Have a flooring maintenance tip or question? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and happy renovating.